A is for ant. Ant. B is for bee. Bee. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. D is for dragonfly. Dragonfly. E is for earwig. Earwig. F is for frog. Frog. G is for grasshopper. Grasshopper. H is for housefly. Housefly. I is for imperial moth. Imperial moth. J is for jewel beetle. Jewel beetle. K is for kissing bud. Kissing bud. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. M is for mosquito. Not mosquito. N is for necrophorus. Necrophorus. O is for orchid mantis. Orchid mantis. P is for pillbug. Pillbug. Q is for queen butterfly. Queen butterfly. R is for rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle. S is for scorpion. Scorpion. T is for termite. Termite. U is for underwing moth. Underwing moth. V is for velvet ant. Velvet ant. W is for water strider. Water strider. X is for xylocopter. Xylocopter. Y is for yellow jacket. Yellow jacket. Z is for zebra longwing butterfly. Zebra longwing butterfly.